Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we finally, after a long wait, have gotten the brand new Sony A95K. This is their newest top-of-the-line OLED TV. It's a QD OLED, so you're getting even a better picture on this one. We're gonna open it up for you, show you all the accessories that come in the box, and then give our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. Here are all the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got the newly redesigned remote that is backlit and does have the remote finder feature, along with a couple batteries for that one. Then we've got the power cord for the television, along with a couple of legs that are going to attach to the pedestal. There's some screws right above that that are going to attach the legs to the base. And then we've got some covers for those legs. And then we have the Sony Bravia Cam. This is one of only a couple TVs that Sony's producing this year that come with the camera in the box. And then above that, we've got a zip tie to use for some cable management. And then there's some clips that are gonna attach to the pedestal to sort of give it a finished look on the edges. And finally, we've got all of the covers for the inputs and things on the back of the television. Here we have the actual pedestal itself. It is the full length of the TV and it is very heavy. So make sure you have a second person around to help you out with this install. So we have everything all set up. You got a chance to take a look at all the accessories. Nothing like too out of the ordinary with any of those. The pedestal is sort of the noticeable thing about this TV besides the picture. The pedestal can be arranged in a couple different ways, either facing forward like we have it here or facing backwards. So it kind of gives it a little different look, a little different feel when you're watching it. But otherwise, this picture is so good, it's hard to explain through a video. You really do have to see this one in person. And I think the most impressive part about it so far is the detail in the shadows. OLEDs in the past have had a little bit of a tendency to crush the blacks. This one isn't doing that at all. You're getting a ton of detail in those dark areas. So we were excited to see that. It's just, this is, as of right now, this is the best looking television I've ever seen. So it's high praise from me. I think a lot of other reviewers out there are kind of giving it the same opinion, but it's really incredible. You got 4 HDMIs on the back, 2 of them are HDMI 2.1. Would have maybe been nice to see more HDMI 2.1s, but this is, I don't think, really meant to be a gaming TV. This is really just for people who want the purest possible picture, and it's really providing that. So that's kind of our initial impressions. We're gonna do an overview video where we talk a little bit more about some of the specs and features of this one. So make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, we appreciate you watching our videos and stay tuned for more.